Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you enjoy what you see here today, make sure to give a like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. And with that, here's another video of Being Johan. Alright, so... You know what I haven't done? Taken any videos, so it's fine. We have...
I told you, I was like, you don't want to record the cheese and the tomato, and you just eat it. I was like, okay. You demolished it. Oh, Dad still has it.
Oh yeah, what they're talking about is this. It's okay.
He never knows how to vlog.
It's not in frame.
Wait. Boo.
I can't believe you took that.
And I was like,
Alright, cheers, cheers.
yes.
To
Oh,
the
yours is so full.
messed up show that is this trip.
It's not real.
Oh yeah, that's actually really good. I want to try the alcoholic version of that.
Does it make you start?
They're catching the anchovies. I like them alive.
So when these, congratulations. You know why I take pictures? Because of people.
Bibliotech, the National Library.
Oh yeah.
Where is it?
The corn, that big thing. This is bibliotech.
Oh, I wish I could
Because it's Spanish, it's bibliotech. Yeah, exactly. I'll look so stressed. I mean, I'm having a great time.
Yeah, because nothing bad ever happens on a travel vlog.
Whoa, look at that picture.
That's all I do. That's so pretty.
Trump takes California. I said, yeah, I know. Oh man, the Trump effect?
Hey guys, and believe it or not, that was pretty much the end of the video. I know that this video had a bit of a different vibe, different feel, and was definitely shorter than what I normally put out, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an explanation. Now, for full transparency, I am going to be referring to some notes just so I can keep myself oriented while explaining the situation. So, normally I actually really love packing my vlogs with as much of my day as possible, especially on these travel vlogs where we're going out, we're doing things, and I want to show you guys and bring you guys along as much as I can. But sometimes things do happen, and this trip had its fair share, more than its fair share of complications. So, without getting into too many specifics, my dad and sister ran into some issues with his medical supplies, and that led us to scrambling for some solutions. Ultimately, my dad had to go to the hospital, and as you can imagine, filming really wasn't the priority until we knew that he was going to be okay. Honestly, thank God for the European healthcare system, because their compassion, their quick response, and their motivation to find any and all possible solutions was really inspiring, and I'm really, really grateful for what they did. I really can't share more details right now, but I might be able to down the road. The important thing is that my dad is definitely doing better now that we're both back from the trip. And yeah, that was basically it. That is why this vlog is shorter, why it has a different vibe. And I just want to let you guys know that the next one will still be a little shorter, but will definitely be longer than this one. And then the vlog after that will be back to our normal shenanigans while gallivanting in Belgium. So, with that being said, if you made it this far, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.